And action!
It's here. That offer you've been waiting for, it just walked in.
On Sanderson?
Probably too much money to send in the mail. Tammy is Mitch's secretary and Ray's love interest. But together, these four characters are a family. They rely on each other for many things. That was the vice principal over at Cleveland Middle. He gave me the history on Donnell Haywood.
He's 14 years old. How much history can he have?
I like that they kept some of the charm. Maybe she has her own inner tune that's going on at all times. So it's nice to see a character like that in this kind of genre.
A lot of guys from where he came from, his age, been arrested half dozen times. He's got no criminal record.
Can I smoke in here?
No.
Ray and Tammy, this is a special relationship. It's been going on for a decade. They are not married. Tammy does not like this.
Who's Ray?
The other half of the Brothers McDear is in your office where he's staying. We're not speaking at the moment.
Should I even ask why?
Oh, he knows why. One of the exciting things about this project is it's not just this genre of a lawyer show. It's a combination of many things. You have something that's exec produced by John Grisham himself. It's an exciting new show. They're beautifully written. It's very thriller-oriented. And then at the heart of it, you have this core family and these four individuals that we sort of keep it together and keep it human.